What is up, guys? I'm back on the bike today, finally. I just worked 5 days in a row. Last night I worked a 16-hour shift, so that really sucked. Honestly, I've been kind of burnt out on making videos lately. Haven't been able to really ride much just because of working and then your normal daily life stuff. So today I kind of just wanted to get out and make another video for you guys. Just worked 16 hours, so I'm going to Shake Shack right now because I'm freaking starving. And I haven't had Shake Shack in a long time. So we're just kind of chilling today. Not really doing much. I don't have any plans. Today's Thursday, so it's not like there's any bike events or anything like that going on today, unfortunately. Hopefully my microphone's actually working this time, because unfortunately when I went out and rode in Milwaukee with all those guys, it wasn't working. So that kind of killed it a little bit. The video would have been 100 times better if my mic was working. Still can't go over this bike. Honestly, this summer, the only time I've ridden my Harley is like before I got this bike back in May and to the Harley homecoming. So I've kind of been holding out on the Harley. I should take it out and ride it a little more, but I don't know. I'm thinking of selling it just because I hardly ever use it anymore. I don't want to sell it. I love that thing, but I don't use it, so it just sits there. Doing that. It's so easy to do on this bike too. Accidentally hitting neutral. Also, that car back there kind of pissed me off because I clearly had the green. He wanted to try to turn. People are just dumb. It's almost official too. So I'm from the St. Louis area. I think in October I'll be moving back down to St. Louis. So I'm really excited for that. I can't wait to get back home. I really miss it down there. What the fuck is going on with that thing? That dude's fucking killing it over there. I used to never like go places and then sit down and eat by myself until I started riding motorcycles. Like usually I'll just go through the drive-thru and then eat in my car, like sit there and eat in my car. But ever since getting a motorcycle, I never do that anymore. I've gotten way more comfortable about like just going in and eating at like restaurants or fast food places by myself. We finally made it. I'm so excited. I haven't had Shake Shack in so long. I'll be right back, guys. That was pretty good. Look, you even see me in the reflection over there. I love making YouTube videos, but sometimes it's just so hard to like find something to talk about. Like most of the time making these videos, it's just I had to watch out a little bit. Most of the time making these videos, it's just like riding around and like just kind of hanging out, but it's hard to like keep people engaged and watching the video when you don't really have anything specific to talk about. Some people are just like naturally good at it. Me, I suck at it. So it's a little difficult sometimes. Today I'm not. I don't really know what to talk about. Like I don't have anything specific to talk about. nothing's really going on that I want to really share. So right now I'm just kind of cruising around and hanging out. So there's going to be a lot of clips of me just riding around, not really talking probably. I put almost 1,000 miles in this bike so far. It's at 817 now, so that's kind of cool. I try to ride it as much as I can. My phone wants me to go a different way, but I want to go on the interstates. That's what we're going to do in a bit. Here's the DMV where I made the video about how to get your motorcycle license. It's super freaking easy in Wisconsin. In Illinois, you got to take like a skills test, and it's basically a spot like mapped out in the parking lot, and it's pretty hard to do. In Wisconsin, it's a little different. It's a road test, so basically you're riding on the road with a car following you, and it basically just tells you to turn. You got to do a stop, a U-turn, and then ride back, and that's pretty much it. It's super easy to get in Wisconsin. I thought the written test was kind of difficult though. It was tough. There were some questions where I was like, I don't know. Yeah, that's where it's at though. So if you're trying to figure out how to get your motorcycle license in Wisconsin, go check out that video. I love this thing so much. That thing. It's like a super old car. I've never seen one of those before. Stopped on the side of the road. Look at those hills. so freaking hot out today. I think this is gonna end this video though. I kind of really just wanted to make this video just to make sure my mic was still working because it cut out in the last video. I also haven't posted anything for a little while. So thanks for watching my super fucking boring video. Hopefully you guys got a little like entertainment out of it though. I did split traffic just a little bit back there, but that's because the speeds on the interstate were only like 20 miles an hour, I think. So yeah, usually I don't do it if we're going like normal speeds, but yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.